Hi, my name is Girls. Today we have make frozen yogurt bark. We need honey. We need yogurt. We need marshmallow. We need chocolate. We need chocolate chips. And a banana. First, we need 2 cups of flavored yogurt. We need 1/4 cup of sponsored cocoa powder. Now we need 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, I slice the banana. Put half a yolk on the dish. Spread the yogurt around the bottom. Next we add the banana. Start decorating. All in one. Next we add rest of yogurt. Next we add chocolate chips. Next we add many marshmallows. We will freeze it for 2 hours. Try it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Strawberry.
What?
It's just like strawberry.
The strawberries are his favorite.